a huge indie makeup haul. Well, mostly indie. There are just a couple of mainstream items. We're gonna unpack all of these, and there's more. Oh, where do I even start? I had an acquaintance travel to the USA recently, and she brought me all this makeup, which is one of the few ways I can currently buy makeup from the USA. 2 lipsticks from Wicked Widow Beauty. And by the way, while we're doing this haul, do let me know what your favorite type of makeup is. Is it an eyeshadow? Is it a lipstick? Maybe eyeliner? These are 2 liquid lipsticks in Hazy Baby and Magic. So as you can see, a green shade, which is the one I'm wearing right now, and a beautiful lavender kind of lilac shade. Now, the fun fact is that I bought the green lipstick, and the lilac one was given to me as a gift from the brand, so they kind of included it with the order. I did purchase it with my own money. They have kind of different sponges. I'm not sure which is the new one, but the thing is that I've already tried them, and I absolutely love the formula. As you can see, I'm wearing the green one. I've also tried the lilac one. It's super pigmented and opaque, as you can see. One swipe. Oh, so good. The color payoff is awesome. They are so cute. And here's the thing, that since I love the products that I bought, I'm not a big fan of this transparent cap though, but that's just a personal preference. I absolutely love the lipsticks themselves. They're not drying, they're super opaque, they're one swipe, color payoff, all of that in one lipstick. I adored the formula, so I reached out to Wicked Widow Beauty and they gave me a code. THEMIRRORBEAUTY. It is not affiliated. I don't get anything, but you can get a 10% discount. Hopefully one day I will have an affiliate code with them. There are also plenty of codes in the description box below with lots of brands that make colorful lipsticks. Now let's talk about the fact that I got 2 orders from Chaotic Cosmetics, and no, these are not the last ones of the haul. Yes, I'm that obsessed with the brand, and by the way, with it, I also have a code, THEMIRRORBEAUTY, and it's also not affiliated, which is a bummer for me, but doesn't really make a difference for you because you get the discount. So the first order, which came in this turquoise bag, I don't know what to start with. Okay, let's start with the lipstick, because lipstick is my favorite makeup item. So this is another multi-chrome color. Remember I had a video swatching 3 multi-chrome lipsticks by Chaotic Cosmetics? So this is another color that I initially ordered, and they confused it with another one, and now it came in and it shifts from blue to purple. Let me do a hand swatch here, and I'm also popping on a lip swatch in a slightly different lighting on the screen, because right here it is slightly difficult to capture the multi-chrome. I'll fetch the flash. You can see it slightly better with the flash, and you can see it even better in a vertical video that I'm popping on in a different lighting. If this video has been fun so far, please give it a big thumbs up so that it can spread to more people and more people can learn about colorful indie brands, and we have more like-minded folk here. How cool is that? And that's not the only wildly multi-chrome product from Chaotic Cosmetics this time. We also have this multi-chrome eyeshadow, which is kind of more like a highlighter for me. So what does it say? It doesn't really have a name here, so it just has the brand name, Chaotic Cosmetics, and the ingredients here. And this thing, let me try to capture. There we go. Now you can see that it's a full-on rainbow highlighter. Look what the flash does to it. Whoa. I'm wearing it right here on my cheekbone. And don't tell me, oh, it's so 2016, we can wear any makeup we want at any given period of time. Whatever you want, baby, wear it. This is super pigmented and intense, and of course you can also wear it as an eyeshadow. I got it very, striped, very distinct on my cheek because I applied it with a finger. You can also apply it with a brush. In that case, it will be more diffused. I just wanted it to pop like a rainbow. And now what's that? Oh, this is a card from Chaotic Cosmetics, and these are the Rainbow Flexi sticks. Hold on, upside down. These are the Rainbow Flexi sticks. So they are sort of like liquid lipsticks. They launched them for the Pride Month. They are slightly more liquidy than their liquid lipsticks, but very slightly. They're truly opaque, and I already have the yellow one on, so I blended it with the green Wicked Widow Beauty, and this is Chaotic Cosmetics Flexi Stick in yellow. They say that you can apply them for the eyes, for the face, for the lips, wherever you want. For me, for the eyes, they would be too oily because cream eyeshadows don't work for me. So for me, they mostly work as lipsticks, or if I want to do some kind of face painting. Oh, so sleek. The colors are not exactly what I had expected. I will swatch them one by one because the photo they have on the website is done in a very intense lighting, might I say, and the colors some colors show up slightly differently. Okay, it's done this way, I suppose. Look at that. No, don't fall. Oh my god, don't you dare scare me like that, my baby. So the photos they made are in very specific lighting, and I feel like not all the colors showed up exactly as they are. So this one, first of all, Once again, I might have some defects of lighting on my camera as well because the purples are the hardest to capture on camera. So this one is a slightly cool toned, but very much a purple. It is not a blue. Keep that in mind. If you want a dark blue, it's not it. It's a very vibrant, like it's an ultraviolet color. Now, then comes the blue, which I thought was going to be slightly darker, but it's such a beautiful shade. It's a periwinkle color. Oh, look how pretty this is! The green is another one that I expected to be slightly darker, more like an emerald, and I'm so glad it's lighter because I kind of ran out of a similar shade like that one, and I do have the emerald one. Obviously, I do have the emerald one. I am super happy with this one. Then comes the yellow, which was the color that, you know, was the main driver for me to get to the set, because a yellow lipstick is so hard to find, and this is a super vibrant, bright lemon or canary yellow. It's a dupe for Jeffree Star Queen Bee. Like, it's not that super warm yellow, not the mustard yellow. It's really a bright yellow, and I love it. I will use this all the time in my lip art and also simple makeup looks, for both of which, by the way, I started a Patreon. If you want ideas delivered to you monthly with super thorough tutorials that you can easily recreate, then do check out the description box and you can subscribe there. Let's go on with the haul. Then we have an orange, which is slightly lighter orange. I think a dupe to it would be also Jeffree Star Flamethrower. It's like a tangerine. And then a red, which pleasantly surprised me because I was thinking it's just gonna be another, you know, like another vibrant red, which I already have. But it's slightly lighter, you know, it's slightly like, I wouldn't say a pastel red because it's not exactly pastel, but it's not super dark, it's not super deep, you know what I mean? It will be perfect for an inner part of the ombre. Here are the colors, and I remind you that this one is actually a purple. Then I have 4 Adept Cosmetics, the Collective Waterproof Liquid Liners. They're all multichrome, you can see the hand swatches on your screen, and I already used 2 of them on my eyes as well. They were multichroming, they lasted all day, baby, they behaved beautifully. However, I did use them on this part and not on the oiliest part of my lid, so that yet remains to be tested. Okay, I wonder where I already smudged the green lipstick. Must be in my hair somewhere. Oops. Now, one of the mainstream items that I have, that was, by the way, just as the liners that you've just seen, gifted to me by my friend Swatch Happens. She also does colorful makeup on YouTube. Do check her out. I'm sure you will love what she does. So this is from the Avatar collection. And what is the color? Illuminate. So this is the color Illuminate. Oh, this is quite pigmented, let me tell you. Sparkly and slightly shifty. I love this. I love using glosses on my no makeup days, you know, because my lips are dry, so I still need to apply something to the lips. And this is such a beautiful shade. Another indie makeup item is Bitter Lace Beauty. This is called Diamond Transformer Pressed Highlighter. I already used it on my eyes, by the way. I don't recommend to use highlight on your eyes, you know, it kind of comes in with your own risk. I do that often and I'm fine, but you know, depends on how sensitive your eyes are, and that leads me to the thought that I'm wondering whether they called it a highlighter because it's not FDA approved for use around the eye area, for example, and like it's actually in theory intended for the eyes and just no one says that, or if it's actually a highlighter for deep skin tones, because for me it's obviously like too dark to be a highlighter, but I also feel like even for deep skin tones that would still be too dark to be a highlighter, like maybe like a blush, but a highlighter is supposed to be like a good deal lighter than your skin, or am I missing something? If you have a deep skin tone, please educate me on this. Please let me know if you think this could work as a highlighter for you, or it would be still more like a blush if you put it on your face, not the eyes. And my first ever palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics! Look at this cutie! I've never tried e.l.f. Cosmetics before, not a single product. Let's open this one up. There we go. Oh, that's such an interesting way to pack it. I'll tear this away later. Oh, so cute! Look at the prints. I'm especially drawn to this lime color, chartreuse, and actually this deep teal. I think I don't have this shade in any other palette. That is so awesome! I'm a little bit less curious about the neutrals, but I can kind of use them for my graphic eyeliners. Also, why not? It is so cute, it is so pretty, look at it. It's so small, it will go in my bag. Okay, let's dip the fingers into it, because I'm really curious. That is so pigmented. Let me see, I don't have any primer. Oh my god! Look at the matte without a primer, wow! That's a wow! I was not expecting that. 13 swatches and 1 smeared lipstick later. Let me know what your favorite product from this haul is, and if you want to see the reviews, including the review of the Chaotic Cosmetics multichrome lipsticks, just check out this playlist to know more about colorful, crazy, and absolutely alternative makeup products, and I'll meet you there. Bye bye!